on the stage here with me, your loving Chief Minister Conrad. Come on, give it up to him. There's a sound of applause for him. Our Deputy CM, our Tourism Minister, and to all of you, 4 cheers to you. I have not seen this level of energy at any concert in India that I'm seeing here at Cherry Blossom. So it's great to be here. It's great to be amidst this huge amount of energy. To have a towering figure like my friend Conrad leading this whole charge in Meghalaya. Hats off to him and hats off to you guys. Meghalaya is the abode of the clouds. And that's what one feels when one is here. Tremendous amount of energy, tremendous amount of tourism potential. And I'd like to say to all of you that Meghalaya is not only the abode of the clouds, but Meghalaya is the capital of music. Music for India and music for the rest of Asia. So I don't want to come between yourselves and what's going to come onto the stage tonight. Let's all have a great time. Thank you very much.
So right now, everyone, I would like